So hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Mayuresh. So today is Sunday and just like every Sunday I come with this week news and updates from the gaming world. But before we're going to start this video, I'm going to do a two little announcement related to my channel. First thing is that I'm really sorry guys for that last week news and update video. I try my best to make that video very good, but because of that rain sound the audio get messed up and also video get messed up. So I try my best to remove that sound from that video, but it's not working well. But I promise you guys, I will try my best to make my video quality better and better for the future videos. Yes, and thank you very much guys for all your support. Yesterday we reached our 100 subscriber mark and I know that you are continuously supporting my channel. I need that support to reach our next mark of the 1000 subscribers. Yes, because of that support we can reach our 1000 subscriber mark really soon. So that's it guys, let's get start this video. But before we're going to start this video, if you're not to subscribe my channel, then go to my channel and press subscribe button. Because of that subscription you will get gaming related news and updates and walkthrough from this channel, as well as it's very helpful for me also. So today's first news is coming from the Epic Gaming Store. Epic Gaming Store are already announces is already launched two free games this week. First game is that Killing Flow, which is a multiplayer FPS game. Second game is that Lifeless Planet, which is a Premier Edition and indie action adventure game. And another best news coming from the Epic Gaming Store is that they also announces that they will launch a third game on July 16, which is a Torchlight 2 RPG action game. So just go on to Epic Gaming Store, log in there, download the free game and enjoy the games. And the second news is coming from the PUBG Mobile. This week PUBG Mobile launched a new map, which is a Livic map, and some extra update. But for these new updates, player cost almost 1.8 GB from the storage as well as their data, which is a very worth. It means that many players like this kind of update. They like the Livic map, they like the new skins, new accessories they added in the PUBG. And if you not yet update your PUBG Mobile, then go on the Play Store, press the update and enjoy the Livic map breezes. The third news is coming from the Pokemon Sword and Shield. They just announced the Pokemon Combo Guide, which is very helpful to evolve your Urshifu. If you're having a Pokemon Izalpa Armor DLC pack, if you have this pack, then you can use this guide to evolve your Kumfu into the Urshifu. The next update is coming from the Pokemon Go. With the many fireworks, Jessie and James make their debut inside a Pokemon Go with the Meowth balloon. Yes, you can now battle or encounter with the Jessie and James inside a Pokemon Go and with their specific team that they use inside a series. Yes, you can battle with Akenset, Coughing and Lickitung, etc. with their team, and you can defeat them. If you defeat them, you got a new Pokemon, which are the shadow Pokemon. You have to just purify them and voila, they can ready to battle. Yes, the next news is also related to the Pokemon Go. Yes, you can now battle a Team Rocket member, which is coming from the air balloon. Yes, if you zoom out your Pokemon Go area, you can see a balloon flying all over the area. Just click on it, which is nearby you, and you can battle that Team Rocket member. The specific reason for this is a Team Rocket Fest is going on in the Pokemon Go, so you can enjoy that fest. You have to defeat the many Team Rocket member to complete your specific missions, and after completing the specific mission you got a rewards. The next news is also coming from the Pokemon Go and also related to the Team Rocket. Yes, Team Rocket member called their leader for the help. Yes, Giovanni is in the Pokemon Go. You can encounter a Giovanni inside a Pokemon Go with this latest update. You can battle with the Giovanni. But for encountering a Giovanni, you have to first use our Super Rocket Radar. If you use that Rocket Radar, then Giovanni balloon will pop up nearby you. You just have to click that balloon and you can battle with the Giovanni. If you defeat the Giovanni, as a reward, you will get a Shadow Suicune. Yes, Shadow Suicune is very powerful inside the Pokemon Go and with a special move set. So use a Super Rocket Radar and encounter a Giovanni, battle with him, defeat the Team Rocket and capture Shadow Suicune. Free that Shadow Suicune, purify that Shadow Suicune. You will get a very stronger Pokemon also. The next update is also related to the Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go Fetch Challenge is started, and just like every challenge, after you completed the challenge, you will get a certain rewards. This challenge will be held between the July 10 and 50. During this period, you can encounter a dark and poison type Pokemon in the wild, egg, and as well as in the red. Team Rocket Battle Balloon will be pop up at the maximum rate. You can also get a Suicune after defeating the Giovanni, and the list of shadow Pokemon are very large number of lists. So I just added the list inside the description. You can go there and check the list, which kind of Pokemon or what kind of Pokemon you can encounter during this time, during this period. So these are the updates related to the Pokemon Go, which is very in large amount. And our last news is coming from the Steam. Previous video I told you guys that Steam will come up with the new updates, free games this week, and they just complete their promise. This week Steam are come up with the new games and new updates. Steam are going to give us a free games, and games are Courteous Simulator, Darkest Dungeon, and Genesis Alpha 1. These games are free in this week on Steam. You have to create our Steam account and download this game and enjoy this game. That's it. So that's for today's video. These are the week news and updates from the gaming world. And if you like this video, then press the like button. If you like my channel, then subscribe my channel. I really need your support to reach our 1000 subscriber mark. And just subscribe guys if you like my content, because my content are getting really better and better. I try my best to make my content really better every week, every month. So just support me guys to reach our 1000 subscriber mark. So thank you for watching, and just saw the series. I started a new series on Saturdays, the games that you want for your low-end system. I just make the list of the game and make a video every Saturday and upload the video that you can play these games on your low-end system. So thank you for watching. Goodbye for now and take care guys.